All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to do a button tutorial on the Toyota 4Runner Limited. All right, starting off on the left side of the door, you have your memory seats 1 and 2 right here, and you can set it with this. Then you have a button right here, which will fold your mirrors in, fold them back out. And then you have your auto. Right here, you control your left side, and then right here, you can control your right side of the mirrors. So you just push left right here, and you can control the mirror. Then you have your lock and unlock, and then all your windows right here, and then your lock for the child lock window. Lower left side of the steering wheel here, you have your leveling for the headlights right here. You can adjust the brightness on your digital gauge cluster, the gas button right here to open it up, your automatic high beams, your traction control off. This is your power inverter for the back, and then you can open up the trunk right here. Right here, you have a power telescopic steering wheel, so you can push it up, down, whichever direction you want it. This has 8-way power adjustable seat with lumbar support. You can move it forward, back. This part of the seat can go up and down. Back part of the seat can go forward and back, and your lumbar support. Left side of the steering wheel right here, you have your back button, your push to call button. Then you have your arrows to control your digital gauge cluster right here. You can see a little bit of customization that you can do on this screen. You have 3 different page setups right here, and you can customize all 3 of them. And right below that, you have your volume up and down, and then you have your voice to speak. Right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control button. Then you have your steer assist. Then you have your cruise modes. You can put it in regular cruise or adaptive cruise. Your gap adjust between you and the preceding vehicle. Up and down for the speed control. Cancel. Your mode is for your different stations and different channels right here. Left side of the steering wheel, you have all your light controls on this side. Right side of the steering wheel, you have all your windshield wiper controls. Here's your 14-inch audio multimedia display. Now, I'm not really going to go over much on this just because I would do that in a separate video. There's a lot involved with this. And you also have another interesting button right here. If you push this, you can view the 4Runner from whatever angle that you want, which I thought that was very interesting. Down here, you have your direct airflow to occupied front seats, your heated steering wheel button right there. This is to control the temperature for your side. You have heated and cooled seats in this vehicle, and then you have heated and cooled seats for your passengers, and you can control your temperatures over here. Now, you can also sync these together. You just have to push down for them to sync together on this side right here. Now, let me put the fan speed down. Right here is your off, so you can turn the air off. Mode is where you want the air to flow. Circulate the air within the cabin. Fan speed, front defroster, rear defroster with outside mirrors, and then you have your AC right over here. This comes with a wireless charger down here with your phone. You have some storage here, and then you have some USB-Cs right around this corner. And then you have your you can shut off where it shuts off at a stoplight or a red light. Then you have your panoramic view monitor button where it does a 360 overview of the 4Runner. Right here, you have an electronic parking brake. Then you have a brake hold function right there. Then you have your 4-wheel high and low and 4-wheel free. Tow haul mode right here. And then you have your different drive modes that you can put it in. So to show you right here, you can put it in Sport Plus, Sport S, Normal, Comfort, and Eco. Right here is your trailer backup guide. And then you have 2 cup holders here, some storage in here. This comes with a digital rear view mirror. So you just pull this back, nice digital rear view mirror. You have some garage door openers that you can set up, and you can do a little bit of customization on this screen as well. Right up here is your power rear window button, which is a fan favorite for a lot of 4Runner fans. And then right here, you have the button to open up your sunroof. Really nice. See, then you push this, and it tilts it up. Right in the back here, you have 2 USB-Cs for your passengers, and then you have your power inverter right here if you want to charge some devices. Now back here, as long as you lock the 4Runner, you come up to this button here and you can actually roll the window down, which is really nice. Then you can roll it back up by pushing this. And then to open it, you just push this button right here. It opens, but it also does have the kick sensor as well. Nice space in the back. Now, I know this is not a button, but it's more functionality stuff. So this one comes with the third row. You can only get the third row in an SR5 and a Limited. So you can pull this up right here. And there's that third row for you. And you can pull this up for the headrest. And right here, you have a JBL speaker and another power inverter. Now, right up here, there's some instructions. So all you got to do is wave your foot underneath. And then tailgate will shut on its own there. Now, another cool functionality thing I wanted to show you, because this has the power running boards. Once you open the door, the power running boards do come out, but you can disable it. There's actually a button right here where you push off, and then the power running boards just slid back in. Now, another functionality thing I wanted to show you guys is with the second row. You pull this lever, then the seats flip up for easy access to the back. Now, I say this in a lot of my videos, but if you have kids, I like how they made this Velcro right here for your car seats, so the hooks are not showing. It covers them. Now, this also comes with smart key system on the door, so as soon as you put your hand here, it unlocks. Now, you can lock them by just pushing this right here. It locks all the doors. If you hold your hand here for more than 3 seconds, it'll actually unlock all. All right, so right here you have your lock on the key fob, your unlock, and then you have where you can open up the trunk right there. And then to remote start it, you go 1, 2, 3, hold it down, the lights should flash. If they do, that means the remote start is working. There you go. Just wanted to show you guys one quick view of the interior since I really didn't get to show you that earlier. Here's a view of the back seats into the front right there. One last thing, this comes with the upgraded JBL premium audio, and you get a portable speaker right up here. And this speaker is removable, so you can take it out and bring it with you wherever. So one thing I forgot to show you guys earlier, when you put this in reverse, your mirrors will actually tilt down for easier to reverse into parking. Then you also have a bird's eye view camera with a backup camera and a few different camera angles right here, which is really nice. And then when you put the back view camera on, you can spray the back window, which it's not going to show you here. Oh, you can see it a little bit right there. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever about the Toyota 4Runner Limited, reach out to me personally. And if you like these kind of videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up so you don't miss the next one.